First, I want to thank everybody that has been using the Investors Advantage Portfolios program. This program was created from the outset to better benefit the investors and give the advisors a program they can be proud to present to their clients. It's based on robust research, rigorous selection of securities, scientific process of security timing. We don't time the market, we time the securities. Investing on a gradual basis, tax strategies that are designed to prevent the creation of unnecessary taxable events by minimizing the turnover and consulting with both the advisor and the tax professionals that the client and the advisors use. Most importantly, the program is run by a competent and experienced team that has combined over 100 years experience, and I mean good experience, not just experience. There's so much that we can tell you about the program that you can, we suggest that you visit the investorsadvantageportfolios.com. But at this point in time, I'm just going to have a couple of the managers involved in the program, Nancy Greene and Chadley Lazreg, make a little bit of introduction for themselves, and we hope to see you under better circumstances in the next conference.
Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Greene and I am Senior Vice President and Co-Manager of the Investors Advantage Portfolios since the inception of the program in 1997. My managerial responsibilities include the Universal Value, Alpha 1 and Alpha 2, and the ESG Select portfolio models. The Universal Value model has done well in the last 2 months or so, as value seems to be coming back into focus and the forefront of the market. Please ask us for more information if you would like to know more about this model. The focus of Alpha 1 and Alpha 2 is finding companies experiencing rapid innovation in technology and medical technologies, such as genomics and robotics, for example. The last model is ESG Select, which is our socially responsible offering. While we recognize this model may not be on everyone's radar, it is important to know that there is an ever-increasing investor base looking to invest with their values. Please let me know if you would like more information. Please drop me an email at ngreene@moneyconcepts.com. That's Greene with the E on the end. Thanks and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Chadley Lazreg, and having joined in 2017, I'm one of the newer members here at Investors Advantage Portfolios. As you may know, our Alpha 1 and Alpha 2 models have been part of our portfolio offerings for some time. They search out companies at the forefront of innovation, particularly in healthcare and technology sectors. We had advisors with clients who wanted to participate in a model with the same objectives and ideals, but who didn't have the initial outlay and investment to put to be qualified for one of those two models. And so I helped develop our newest model called simply Alpha. And of course, it presented a fundamental problem. How do we mitigate the risks inherent to seeking Alpha and participate in the companies with the best opportunities, but doing so with a lower investment? And of course, ETFs provide the perfect conduit when paired with the proper selections. But you can't just take a handful of ETFs, put them in a portfolio, and call it a model. It's about choosing the right ETFs, taking into account their fees, their management, and the other factors that set them apart. And it culminated in carefully finding and choosing ETFs that contain the securities of companies in which we believe, in the areas of the economy we see most primed for growth and potential for yield and high returns. We targeted ETFs that not only performed independently within their respective sectors, but that minimized the overlap in top-heavy companies you typically find in similar ETFs. In other words, we didn't just use ETFs to diversify a model, we used the principles of diversification within the ETF bundles themselves. And we balanced those selections with components that are defensive and protective, as well as some that are focused on generating dividends to supplement the returns. And in the end, we've created the Alpha model, a balance point for investors who want to seek high returns with an acceptable amount of risk with an initial investment of only $50,000.